and making ramen.
Step 1. Boil the water. This may take a while.
Or perhaps one could even do homework. You have dinner, bro?
I can't, I got a bunch of reading to do, man.
What? Reading?
Yeah.
Come on, you're always reading.
Dude, who does homework anymore?
Come on, dude. It's a rainy day. Like, do something. I mean...
It's a good time to read.
No!
Yeah.
You're always doing homework.
How is it a good time to read?
Come on, dude. Come in.
Cut through the music building, dude, you big pansy.
Come on. Food!
Food.
Yeah, that's right. Food.
That's right. Come on. No, you're not taking that book with you. You put
No, book
no,
down. Come
no
on.
Homework.
Book
no
down.
homework on the table.
Come on.
Come on.
Right.
Let's
Get out
go.
of here.
Step 2. Add the noodles. And then we add the magical powder. Make sure you get it all in there. It's good stuff.
One could play Super Smash Brothers.
Dude. Ah! Pokeball. Pokeball. How do I pick it up? Hey. Ah. Wait, that's me that's falling off the edge of the ship.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, that's...
Dang it! That's his problem.
Even one could watch Batman.
That is so real.
Bro,
What?
this is not the Dark Knight Rises.
It's Batman, isn't it? What?
In name only.
It's Adam West, dude. He's the best.
Screw this, I'm out.
Way better than DC.
Or Serenade Joseph Johns.
You're insecure. Don't know what for. It's in the heads when you walk through the door. So you make up to cover up being the way that you always know. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you did work against me going on. The way you smile and look at me hard to tell. You don't know all. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Fight Club?
Bro, Fight Club?
What?
Fight Club, you know.
Never talk about Fight Club.
Talk about Fight Club? Oh, come on, bro. This is why we can't have nice things. Talk about Fight Club. Fight Club. We don't talk about Fight Club. Perhaps one could even experiment with Tide Pods. What are you doing?
A little experiment.
Luke?
Dude.
What are you doing? Come on.
Dude, I bet you if I chuck this at the wall, it will just...
No, those things are like invincible. Come on.
No, they're not.
Dude, you have to have a gun to do that.
Perhaps I have the necessary equipment.
Let's see this then.
Hooyah! I told you, homeboy!
You're still here? What are you doing? It's over. Go home. It's not safe for anyone here anymore.